In deep-sea engineering, the stakes are measured in atmospheres. Before we challenge the ocean's crushing force, we must build a sanctuary of steel. This is the unseen assembly of a diving bell, a lifeline to the deep. Every bell begins with its absolute defense. First, the main pressure hull is reinforced. Constructed from heavy-gauge certified steel, this structure is engineered to laugh in the face of the immense water pressure encountered hundreds of feet below the surface. Next, we integrate the vital windows and doors. The thick optical-grade viewports are installed, giving explorers a clear, protected view. The main entry hatch is sealed with multiple locking dogs, ensuring no path exists for external pressure to enter. Now for life support. The bell's survival depends on its internal atmosphere. Air scrubbers and certified gas tanks are installed, maintaining breathable air. The electrical and communication wiring is shielded and routed for constant contact with the surface. To combat the buoyancy of the deep, we add mass. Heavy ballast weights are bolted to the structure. This ballast is critical, ensuring the bell descends stably and resists the natural upward push of the water. The final details. The external umbilical cable, the bell's literal lifeline, is secured. After final checks, the bell is hoisted from the deck and introduced to the water, ready to descend into the abyss. The assembly is complete. The descent begins. We've built a sanctuary against the dark. To see more technology that explores our world, like and subscribe for more unseen assembly videos.